Let's start building blocks. Now we own part of this block, part of that block, part of that block. Now let's take the whole block, the whole block, the whole block, the whole block, then go around the corner, then down the street. Why not? You say the buildings are all run down. Yeah, but they weren't always. Same way they were run down, we run them up. We got carpenters, brick masons, electricians. We got everything we need in the black community to rebuild our community. And we better not catch your raggedy behind running down the street, breaking bottles and carrying on, because we'll put something on your backside. Own the apartment buildings, put your people in them, and make them clean. Okay, you gotta live clean. You don't live clean, you break the lease. We put you out for being dirty. A nasty woman and a nasty man we can't have. We've been living in nastiness too long. Go home where you live and clean up your house. Nasty people. Wearing the same socks you wore all week. Socks walk away to the laundromat by themselves. Bad smelling, bad acting people. We take over the block, make sure there's plenty of hot water.
Yes, sir.
Now that sounds funny, doesn't it? I'm not trying to be funny. I'm not trying to be funny. We say it in a humorous way, but we all got to bathe. And we should bathe often, no more once a week. On Saturday night, we can't wait that long. In fact, your neighbor can't wait that long. And if your neighbor can take it, God knows I can't, so please. We must clean up. Don't you agree? Now, don't you think we ought to break a lease if somebody running a dirty show in that house? Because you bring rats. Rats is dirt. Cockroaches are dirt. You act dirty, you get the results of dirty living. Clean up and you may get rid of some of these dirty things. What do you think? Let's get busy. Let's get productive.